Hello guys, welcome to Kulfi Software Services. In this video I will explain you how you can add text area question in your form. So here you have to select a template. So as you can see, I selected this user persona survey form. Here only one question is available, and if I want to add one more with text area, I will go in the question section. Yeah, here is the question section. So here I will simply select question type to be text area, and I am adding feedback to be the question. Here you have to select answer required or not, so I am selecting yes. Here also place for the placeholder text if you want to add it. So here you can see, after refreshing the form, the text area question which we add, that is feedback, will appear in the form. Here you can see feedback. In the same way you can add your own text area question instead of feedback. So it's very easy to add text area questions also. So thank you. For more information, please watch our next video.